We as door-to-door campaign team members, strong dedicated PDP members, we are still ready and over ready to deliver the PDP party.
The people are ready more than 110% to deliver Okowa, to deliver Atiku, to deliver Ifafe, to deliver Evelyn, and to deliver Anira.
The 1 week postponement of the election, it really gives us power to work, extra work. So we are ready to deliver. As far as PDP is concerned in Delta State, we have no problem, especially Sapele local government area.
People's Democratic Party door-to-door campaign group in Sapele have voiced their frustration towards elected members from Sapele local government area into different local, state and federal offices during the 2019 general elections. The group formed with the aim of promoting and campaigning for PDP candidates through billboard adverts, radio and TV jingles, news reports, public awareness displays and more, voiced their grievance as promises made to them by elected politicians prior to the election have not been fulfilled. Speaker of door-to-door campaign, Comrade Godwin Onomuara, spoke to Rero TV and highlighted how pained the body is as none of his members have been empowered nor given the due recognition that they were promised during the campaign.
Door-to-door campaign group is a pressure group, political pressure group, basically for PDP and to promote the success of all candidates during elections, and also to publicize the good work of every political leaders. Politics is actually for to promote ideology, and at the end of the ideology, it's expected that everybody who comes together to promote the ideology and the success of the idea will benefit from it. But what we, the members of door-to-door, have seen within these 3 years, we have seen a situation whereby Mokinde walk, Bamboo the chop, whereby you work for people, they don't recognize you. They feel that they want to use you as donkey. Door-to-door, as it is a well-known political pressure group in Sapele. During the campaign of 2019, we came out vibrantly with our means of campaigning. We use our billboards to advertise the good works of our leaders, the good work of Governor Okowa, the good work of all our political aspirants in this Sapele, and we made sure that we used all our artillery to make sure that they are all placed, they come to success, they win. And the truth is that with our effort and every other political leaders in this Sapele, a lot of our aspirants won. We were expecting that after that 2019, which of course all the leaders in Sapele knew what we did for the success of PDP in Sapele local government. We expected that by now, at least the benefit of our labor should be attributed to us, should be accrued to us. But up to this hour, no one person, ranging from the chairman to the member of door-to-door, no one person has been empowered or has received benefit from PDP in Sapele local government. Of course, we are waiting. The years is still running out. We still hope that our leader will come to their right understanding and maybe stretch their hands of relationship to us. If not, by now, at this present day, as we are doing this interview, none of our leaders has recognized door-to-door in all these years.
Comrade Onomuara also spoke on the role the group played towards ensuring that Governor Okowa returned for a second term, but doubted if the message was passed across to the governor.
During the campaign, we went as far to use a lot of jingles in Delta television, Delta radio, to campaign and to expose the good works of Okowa to the people in the hinterland of Sapele local government, to tell them that Okowa is a qualified governor who, that expected a second ticket, and we did all we could do to make sure we campaign for him. We went as far to Delta State radio and television at Warri. The clips are all there. We make sure that we did everything to make Okowa within our Sapele local government to succeed. And of course, I'm sure that the governor is not aware of what we did, because some of our leaders have not actually told him of this group of door to door and what we have done. Then come back to our local government here. We have promoted our chairman, we have promoted our House of Assembly members, we have promoted our rep, we have promoted a lot of, even including our Senate. But up to this extent, we have not seen any benefit from any of it.
The door-to-door campaign speaker, however, assured that the group is ready to work immensely come 2023 to make sure that PDP continue to win in Delta State.
Every time we go from word to word to sensitize our people, we still do our advertisement through our billboards, even within this period of COVID-19. We promote Delta State and the impact of Delta State in palliative measure. So we are very strong, we are ready, and we hope that PDP will win again and again, and we are supporting our PDP members when it comes 2023.
Despite the neglect by Sapele political office holders, Comrade Onumuara showered praise on Chairman Desopadek, Honorable Michael Diden, popularly known as Ejele. According to him, the Desopadek boss remains the only Sapele politician that has identified with the group. My name is Akporero Henry Akpos, and you're watching Rero TV.